There's just one more thing I need to cover before we bring this lecture to a close, and that is how to package your InDesign file for transporting it. So you're putting it on a USB, we're taking it to a friend's computer to print it out elsewhere and you're not quite finished. With placing images within an InDesign file, it is not the same as putting an image in a Word document. It does not automatically get embedded. You can embed images by selecting on the image and going to links and embed link, but that makes the file size a lot larger. What we want to do is just maintain the links. So how we create a packaged InDesign file, and often you transport these from clients to different people when you're working in the industry, is we go to File, Package. This is something you would do at the end of your design process. When the file is approved, you would send the high-res PDF and the packaged InDesign file to your client so they have it all. So we go File, Package. So what it's going to do is in here tell us if there's any errors. So there's 3 fonts used. Are there any fonts missing? Are there any fonts embedded? What's happening in the file? Links and images. There are 2 links found in the file. No problems there, only that one is using RGB and not CMYK, and seeing as we selected it to be a print file, it's alerting us to this fact. In this instance, not a problem. For print, you might go back and you might change that in Photoshop to a CMYK file. Colors and inks, this is telling us whether we're using process inks, cyan, magenta, yellow and black, or whether we're using spot colors. And this is all the information here. If you want more detail, you can go through this. It's generally very accurate, and I would just say package. Any instructions you want to leave for the client, putting all your details with it in case the file ended up with someone in 3 years' time and you wanted it to come back to you, you put your information here. It's not necessary though. Pressing continue. Where am I going to save this folder? Package. Right. That's done. We can just minimize here, and I'm going to go to my brochure folder here. You can see the folder's presented itself, and inside is these instructions. There's nothing in there because we didn't fill out the information. No big deal. I often just delete this file. DL Flyer, there's our InDesign file. It packages the fonts with the file and the images with the file. So if that file, your DL Flyer one, opens on anybody's computer and they don't have the same fonts or the images, they can restore the fonts and restore the links and the file will remain intact. This way it's a nice small file with all the different elements that go with it, ready for sending to someone. And that's the end of our lecture. Any questions, please post in the forum and I will get back to you with a solution and any problem solving remedies for you. Okay, see you later.